Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Information and Communication Technology, ICT, Set 4. Question number 1. A product that is owned exclusively by a single company that can only function properly if it is used with other products owned by the same company? Option A. Proprietary software. Option B. Commercial software. Option C. All of these. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. Proprietary software. Proprietary software is software that is owned by an individual or a company, usually the one that developed it. There are almost always major restrictions on its use, and its source code is almost always kept secret. Commercial software is any software or program that is designed and developed for licensing or sale to end users or that serves a commercial purpose. Question number 2. Switch works in which layer of the OC model? Option A. Physical layer. Option B. Session layer. Option C. Data link layer. Option D. None. The correct answer is Option C. Data link layer. A network switch is a multi-port network bridge that uses hardware addresses to process and forward data at the data link layer, layer 2, of the OC model. Some switches can also process data at the network layer, layer 3, by additionally incorporating routing functionality. Question number 3. Repeater works in layer of OC model. Option A. Transport. Option B. Physical. Option C. Data link. Option D. Network. The correct answer is Option B. Physical. A repeater operates at the physical layer. Its job is to regenerate the signal over the same network before the signal becomes too weak or corrupted so as to extend the length to which the signal can be transmitted over the same network. Question number 4. The imitation of one device or system by another is Option A. Simulation. Option B. Emulation. Option C. Resilience. Option D. Compaction. The correct answer is Option B. Emulation. An emulator typically enables the host system to run software or use peripheral devices designed for the guest system. Emulation refers to the ability of a computer program in an electronic device to emulate or imitate another program or device. Question number 5. All the keys on the IBM PC keyboard repeat as long as one holds them down. These keys are known as Option A. Type-o-matic keys. Option B. Functional keys. Option C. Automatic keys. Option D. Alphabetic keys. The correct answer is Option A. Type-o-matic keys. A keyboard feature that continues to repeat a key as long as it is held down. The speed of the repeating key as well as the time interval before the repeat begins can be set by the DOS mode command and control panels in Windows and the Mac. Question number 6. The errors that can be pointed out by the compiler are Option A. Syntax error. Option B. Semantic error. Option C. Logical error. Option D. Internal error. The correct answer is Option A. Syntax error. A syntax error is an error in the syntax of a sequence of characters or tokens that is intended to be written in a particular programming language. For compiled languages, syntax errors are detected at compile time. A program will not compile until all syntax errors are corrected. Question number 7. What is the correct syntax for typing a function into a cell? Option A. Equal sign. function name, matching brackets. Option B, equal sign, matching brackets, function name. Option C, none of the above. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, equal sign, function name, matching brackets. A function must be written a specific way, which is called the syntax. The basic syntax for a function is an equal sign, equals, the function name, sum, for example, and one or more arguments. Arguments contain the information you want to calculate. Question number 8. Which of the following is a measurement of speed of internet? Option A, TB. Option B, kbps. Option C, none of the above. Option D, all the above. The correct answer is option B, kbps. Internet speed refers to the speed which data or content travels from the World Wide Web to your home computer, tablet, or smartphone. The speed of this data is measured in megabits per second, Mbps. This conversion means 1.0 megabits per second is more than 1000 times faster than 1.0 kilobits per second, kbps. Question number 9. Is an integrated circuit design on a printed circuit board, PCB, that uses semiconductor technology? Option A, CMOS. Option B, DRAM. Option C, all of these. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, CMOS. CMOS is complementary metal oxide semiconductor, or CMOS. Typically refers to a battery-powered memory chip in your computer that stores startup information. Question number 10. Information Technology Act was enacted on option A, the 19th of January 2001. Option B, the 30th of June 2001. Option C, the 9th of June 2000. Option D, the 15th of July 1999. The correct answer is option C, the 9th of June 2000. The Information Technology Act, 2000, also known as ITA 2000, or the IT Act, is an act of the Indian Parliament, number 21 of 2000, notified on the 17th of October 2000. It is the primary law in India dealing with cybercrime and electronic commerce. Question number 11. Which of the following is also known as static routing? Option A, fixed routing. Option B, dynamic routing. Option C, all of these. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, fixed routing. Fixed routing refers to router-provided networking services. These services use routers, devices used to link networks, fixed over a network link to provide different data paths for fast and reliable transmission. Fixed routing is not used for real-time processing. This term is also known as static routing. Question number 12. A digital multimedia file available on the internet to be downloaded is termed as option A, blogs. Option B, buffer. Option C, podcasts. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, podcasts. A digital audio file made available on the internet for downloading to a computer or mobile device, typically available as a series, new installments of which can be received by subscribers automatically. Question number 13. The objective type of questions can be evaluated through option A, optical barcode reader. Option B, optical mark reader. Option C, magnetic character reader. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B. Optical mark reader. Optical mark reader technology extracts useful data from marked fields such as fill-in fields and checkboxes very quickly and with great accuracy. The most common use of OMR is in offices, academics and research departments where large numbers of hand-filled documents must be processed such as surveys, questionnaires, exams, reply cards and ballots. Question number 14. To connect networks of similar protocols are used. Option A. Gateways. Option B. Bridges. Option C. All of these. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option B. Bridges. A bridge is a device that connects and passes packets between two network segments that use the same communications protocol. Bridges operate at the data link layer, layer 2, of the OC reference model. A bridge will filter, forward or flood an incoming frame based on the MAC address of that frame. Question number 15. Which of the following number system was used by ENIAC? Option A. Decimal number system. Option B. Octal number system. Option C. Hexadecimal number system. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is option A. Decimal number system. The Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, ENIAC, was the very first general-purpose electronic computer. It was designed primarily to calculate artillery firing tables to be used by the United States Army's Ballistic Research Laboratory to help U.S. troops during World War II. ENIAC contained 20 electronic accumulators, each of which could store a 10-digit decimal number. Question number 16. The main purpose of time-sharing techniques used in computers is to make the best use of the option A. CPU, option B. Peripherals, option C. Secondary storage, option D. Floppy disks. The correct answer is option A. CPU. Time sharing refers to the allocation of computer resources and time slots to several programs simultaneously. For example, a mainframe computer that has many users logged onto it. Each user uses the resources of the mainframe, i.e. memory, CPU, etc. Question number 17. What is it called when you are rerouted from your requested internet site to another, undesired site? Option A. Farming. Option B. Redirecting. Option C. Hijacking. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option A. Farming. Farming is a cyber attack intended to redirect a website's traffic to another, fake site. Farming can be conducted either by changing the host's file on a victim's computer or by exploitation of a vulnerability in DNS server software. Question number 18. The fastest type of memory from the following list is option A. Tape. Option B. Semiconductor memory. Option C. Disk. Option D. Bubble memory. The correct answer is option B. Semiconductor memory. Semiconductor memory is a digital electronic data storage device, often used as computer memory, implemented with semiconductor electronic devices on an integrated circuit, IC. There are many different types of implementations using various technologies. Question number 19. What is the IEEE standard for token ring? Option A. 802.5. Option B. 802.1. Option C. 802.2. Option D. 802.3. The correct answer is option A. 802.5. In IEEE 802.5, the token passing scheme is used in place of carrier sense multiple access with collision detection, CSMA/CD, on a ring topology local area network, LAN. A token is circulated around a network. The computer that has possession of the token has the right to transmit packets for a certain period of time. Question number 20. An adder where all the bits of the two operands are added simultaneously. Option A. Parallel adder. Option B. Full adder. Option C. All of the above. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option A. Parallel adder. Parallel adder is a combinational circuit, not clocked, does not have any memory and feedback, adding every bit position of the operands in the same time. Thus it is requiring number of bit adders full adders plus 1/2 adder, equal to the number of bits to be added. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.